The workshop was a good one. I liked the arrangement of the topics and even how they flowed, how the facilitators did the presentations, especially because they were interactive sessions. I appreciate the facilitators because they actually acknowledged that the trustees are adults. It's actually more of adult learning. It was actually more of interaction. The class was actually one of the most interactive classes that I've ever been. People were asking questions, the facilitators were responding adequately. So it was exciting. Actually, I can't remember any time, even in the afternoons, when we expect people to be sleepy from the lunch, but people are active even in the entire afternoons. And that tells you how the classes were interactive and exciting, and how much the knowledge that we are getting from them was important to the trustees, that they actually paid full attention through the sessions. So I really like the arrangement of the sessions and the way that the knowledge was being passed by the facilitators in a way that kept all the trustees active and focused.